let's ride, let's ride. Let's vibe, let's vibe. Do it right, do it right. Make it last all night. Can we make this last? What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Your girl is in Cali, and I'm about to give y'all a room tour / hotel tour. So it's lit. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all around this room, and then later I'm gonna take y'all throughout the hotel. So this is the outside of the room. You walk in. To the right, this is just a closet. Oh, and I like how when you open it, the lights come on for you. This is just, I guess it's supposed to be like kind of like a little bar area. I really don't know what this is, but it's doing what it needs to do. Then another area, it needs a microwave, but I don't know. A full-length mirror. From ceiling all the way down to the floor, and it is lit. Here we come over here. You can see. All right, but this is the bathroom. This is the shower. Nice. This is nice. And then this is the bathroom. Uh-oh, the phone's ringing. Hello? A robot? Thanks. Y'all, I got a, what the? It's really a robot. Oh my God. Now this is cool.
Oh, that's hard.
Oh my God. What the? Alright. Back to the room tour before I was interrupted by the robot, which was so cool. So we walk in. This is the bed area. Cute. Wonderful pajama wall with the palm trees. This is the TV. It's really huge. It may not look huge, but it is. It came with the iPad. Is this the TV remote? I don't know. So that's most of the room, and then we just got a room with a balcony. I wish we were higher up, but I guess this is gonna have to do. I really wish we were higher up, but whatever. Yeah, we weren't supposed to have this room. It was just supposed to be a step out balcony. So it was supposed to be higher up. But I can make